life.
Sure is, Buzzy.
I mean, how often do we get a day off from Hacker?
Like never? I could get used to this.
How many more is 17 than 10? That's a tough one. Buzz, delete!
Harmony, what's wrong?
This! It's the last math problem for my homework. And once I finish, I can go kite flying.
Ooh, I love kite flying.
Me too. Can we go, please?
Not till I solve this problem. I've been stuck on it forever.
Well, maybe we can help.
Okay, it's a word problem, but it's still math.
What is it?
How many more are 17 giant Northern Frontier Cyber Rocks than 10 giant Northern Frontier Cyber Rocks?
I got nothing.
I need to figure this out or I can't go kite flying. I'll miss all the fun.
Come on, Buzzy. Helping Harmony equals fun. Hey, equals. Is that math?
But it's our day off, Dee Dee.
I know. But how hard could it be to help her with just one little math problem?
Fine. So, how many more are 17 giant Northern Frontier Cyber Rocks than 10 giant Northern Frontier Cyber Rocks?
I have absolutely no clue.
Well, neither do I. So how do we figure it out?
I do know one thing. We're gonna need a lot of giant Northern Frontier Cyber Rocks.
Oh. Come on, Dee Dee. Let's find those Cyber Rocks. There's gotta be giant rocks around here somewhere.
Ooh, over there.
Ah, pretty color.
But we're gonna need a lot more of them.
You're right. That way we can make 2 rows of Cyber Rocks. 1 row of 17 and 1 row of 10. And see how many more one row has than the other.
Wow, Buzzy, you're pretty good at math.
Ah, shucks. Well, I'm good at counting rocks.
You think we got enough?
Let's make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and 17. There's 17 Cyber Rocks.
And in this row, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 10 beautiful Cyber Rocks in this row. We did it!
Oh, yeah. What was the question again?
How many more are 17 giant Northern Frontier Cyber Rocks than 10 giant Northern Frontier Cyber Rocks?
Well, there's more rocks in the top row, 17.
And not as many rocks in the second row, only 10.
But how many more? That's the question.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 more. That's the answer.
17 giant Northern Frontier Cyber Rocks are 7 more than 10 giant Northern Frontier Cyber Rocks.
Kite flying, here we come! Oh, I can't wait to tell Harmony we solved the problem.
Oh, she'll be so happy.
Yeah, and so proud of us.
Oh, I was just coming to see you.
Harmony, you can go kite flying now.
I know! I solved the problem!
You did?
Mm-hmm. See? Pretending these circles were rocks, I drew 17 circles in this row, then 10 circles in this row. Then counted the extra rocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So when you compare the two rows, you find out that the answer is 7.
You mean all we had to do is draw circles?
And not move all those rocks.
Well, yeah. Let's go kite flying!